My vision for SEI is I do believe in an expandable world of renewable energy. It comes in different forms, but I see it growing. I mean, my business is booming, especially micro hydropower right now. Look at the training we do and the equipment we train with. I mean, 70,000 students have gone through this organization and are trained on equipment. You know, solar water pumping is probably the simplest use of solar power there is. You can directly couple to a water pump and pump when the sun shines. You can add battery-based. The equipment that's coming out lately has been phenomenal for worldwide use. One device that just came out is designed to irrigate an acre, and that's enough to provide for a family in a third world country and provide revenue in a marketplace. And we're seeing more and more of that, and we're training on that. What I'm excited about is the fact that we have training facilities in other countries right now where solar water pumping would probably mean more there than it does here in the United States. And that's where the big push will be for us. I'm excited about microhydro. I did my graduate work at BYU in hydropower. That's my passion. And we've got 5 or 6 projects ongoing right now. Most of them are net metering projects, just like solar is net metering. I'm working on a project, nonprofit in Guatemala right now, trying to bring power to a school. And so now you've got 24-hour power from a hydro plant. Very simple to build, very simple to design. Technology has really improved. And so I really see a future for micro hydro, particularly in third world countries. We still are under the NEC, like solar or any other electrical product, but Colorado has provided grants, they provided avenues, and right now we're working with an organization to do 6 hydro projects here in Colorado for ranchers who need the power. The research has been done, the studies have been done, and that's been done from a grant. But yeah, you'll see more micro hydro, and particularly when I say micro hydro, I'm talking about less than probably 20 kilowatts of power. You'll see a lot of that. The bigger hydro projects have mostly been developed. It's the smaller ones you're going to continue to see.